Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Megur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. I make skincare related videos, vlogs, and also art videos. If you like this kind of videos, please do make sure to subscribe to my channel and also click on that bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I come up with a new video. Today I'm actually going to be talking about the Minimalist Glycolic Acid 8% Face Exfoliating Liquid. What are the different ingredients present in it, and is it worth purchasing this product? And I like it that it is also mentioned that you have to use the acids in the nighttime, not in the daytime. Nighttime, it's because whenever you apply acids, you are removing the top layer of your skin. And if you go out in the sun without applying a sunscreen, or else sometimes even if you're applying sunscreen, what happens is that the sun rays or the heat can penetrate into the deeper layers of the skin and can trigger the melanocytes. So I like that you have to use it at the night time, and then use it at the night time, then cleanse your face and then leave it on for 10 minutes. They did not mention in this formulation that they have to leave it on for 10 minutes. If you suffer from sensitive skin type and you have dry skin and you have Caucasian skin especially, then you can use this glycolic acid 8%. The whole formulation is so straightforward that I really enjoyed it while going through the formulation. I did see that the first ingredient is the bamboo water extract, and bamboo water is high in antioxidant properties as it's a plant-derived extract. As it's a first ingredient, it's a dominating ingredient. Usually people use purified water, distilled water for their formulations. The bamboo stem or else leaf water is so good as it's high in antioxidant properties. It helps with the anti-aging benefits. It also helps with the soothing of the skin. So it's like a really good ingredient. Rather than adding just the water itself, they added this whole, bunch of bamboo water extract. So it's like really nice, because usually water hydrates, but it doesn't have any other benefits, right? But this one here is an antioxidant. It helps with the anti-aging effect. It helps with the removal of the free radicals. So it's like a really good choice. Just by using water, I think I would rather go for the bamboo stem leaf extract. So the next ingredient here is the glycolic acid. It's the second ingredient. It's 8% of the concentration as mentioned in the product formulation. I think glycolic acid is not really good choice for skin of color. As I am a skin of color, I never use glycolic acid. I rather use the other type of alpha hydroxy acid like mandelic acid. The glycolic acid size is so small that it instantly penetrates and you can feel the tingling sensation once you have applied it. If there is tingling sensation and then you feel the burning sensation, you need to just wash it off instantly, because if it is burning, it's not a good sign, because the skincare is not supposed to burn. So there are different types of alpha hydroxy acid like lactic acid, mandelic acid, tartaric acid, then there is the glycolic acid. But the glycolic acid, because of its size and penetration level and the penetration to the deeper layers and then triggering the melanocytes, it's not a favorable choice for the skin of color. Whereas for the Caucasian skin, it helps with removing the dead skin layer, as it's excellent for Caucasian skin. It helps with cleaning the pores, it helps with the UV damage, it helps with the wrinkle reduction, and it helps with the proliferation of the new skin cells to the top layer. You see, this is doing a lot of beneficial job for the Caucasian skin type. When talking about the skin of color, there has been a lot of study where the people using glycolic acid, higher concentration, as more than 5%, have seen to have hyperpigmentation all over their skin. The skin of color should be very careful while applying anything onto their skin, as they can trigger the melanocytes, and we have high amount of melanocytes as compared to the Caucasian skin type. Let's say that in the 1 centimeter area, we skin of color people have 1,000 melanocytes, and the Caucasian skin types don't have 1,000 melanocytes. They have less than that. They have like 10. You see the difference? The darker the color, the more melanocytes present on the skin and the more melanin production present on the skin. Then I saw that there is ethyl hexyl glycerin, which is a humectant, and also sodium hyaluronate, another powerful humectant. This will help with the absorption of the water molecules from the surrounding and helping it to penetrate into the skin. They act as a water magnet element and they want to sit on the top layer. Hyaluronic acid is with such high amount of water holding property that one molecule can hold up to 10 to 20 times more of water, which is really powerful humectant. But I don't understand the adding of hyaluronic acid with the glycolic acid, because glycolic acid is gonna leave your skin very dry. Yeah, because you're not gonna wash your face and then apply glycolic acid. You're gonna apply the glycolic acid, let it sit for 10 minutes and then apply then you're gonna wash it off. So I don't know what is hyaluronic acid doing here, but the formulation did not really need hyaluronic acid, but they maybe wanted to increase the hydration level. So in general, the whole formulation is not having any comedogenic ingredient, so it's suitable for Caucasian skin types with oily skin or who is suffering from combination skin and they want to reduce the sebum production onto their skin, or normal skin types. Normal to oily skin type range, people can use it, but for the dry skin type, it is high level of glycolic acid which can cause the redness. So do a patch test before and see like if it's working well for you, then you can use it for dry skin types. For skin of color, please don't even try it. Don't even apply it. For skin of color, I do suggest not to use it because I'm not a huge fan of glycolic acid for skin of color, and you rather use the mandelic acid. That is really good. And in general, the formulation is well formulated for the fair people, and I hope that the Minimalist comes up with another formulation especially for the skin of color people, because we also deserve this exfoliation. And please do make some amazing formulations for us, for the darker skin types, because I see very rarely exfoliators for darker skin types and I become sad, and we can't even, use the hard scrubs, because I've seen a lot of research where it's leading to, micro tear in the skin, and that is leading to hyperpigmentation. Wow, we not so lucky, let's say that, Having a dark skin is a lot of people's desire, but it comes with it comes with a price, it's not that happy thing. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope I covered all the points, and if there is any questions, you can write down in the comment section below, or else reach out to me on my Instagram handle. Thank you very much for watching again, guys. I'll see you soon in another video. Take care. Bye.